All right, you guys, behind me is a Dalton. It's a 10 by 20 tiny home. We featured this before, but today is your lucky day. All right, what time is it, Amanda? I'm gonna say right here. You guys know how I don't like sit on nothing. All right, so right now it is 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the beautiful town of Newport, Tennessee. And behind me is this beautiful Dalton. Stay tuned. I tell you what, just fast forward right now to the end, okay? And I'll tell you the price, all right? But I'm going to show you what is in this home. If you've never seen a home like this before, this is an LP siding. We call it a diamond coat. It is almost maintenance free. It's the lowest maintenance siding you could ever get. 30-inch overhang sweeping, protects the home, protects the window. These corbel brackets, just a beautiful home. We actually built this house to look like a smaller, larger house, right? It's not a tiny home that you would typically see. And we've got all them over here too. Big picture window, 4 foot by 5 foot. It's 10 foot wide, 20 foot long. Has all the bells and whistles. This thing is ready to be moved in. Urethane inside, finished inside. Everything is completely done. I'm going to offer it only 1 day special. This is a 1 day special. The price has changed tomorrow.
And this is May 26th.
This is May 26th. It's on a Friday, and this is it right here. You guys, listen to me. I'm going to watch and show you. This is a air exchanger, 2030 window. This is the beautiful, Amanda, just zoom in on here. This is almost a maintenance-free siding. We call it low maintenance. Only thing you'll ever have to do is hose it down, wash it down because of the air pollution that everybody's putting out here. All right. These little splines are for the siding. They contract back and forth. It's a beautiful system. We do the exposed rafters on the top. As you can see, it's got gutters on both sides. It's got a gable. There's no dormers on this home. It's got a mini split up front here. This is one of our 13 color variations that we have here. You can see up top. It's got a board and batten with the big freeze boards, and again with the 30-inch overhang, and it's polyurethane, the corbels. Here's your mini split. You have an outside plug, front and back. It's on a trailer, of course. We can truck this anywhere in the country. And outside water spigot, another plug on this side. We took the lens off this light just for transportation. Okay, remember this is 10 by 20. We call it a Dalton. So come on inside and let's take a tour. I'm like the anticipation. Like, what's the price, Randy? Well, come on in here. You can see we got a laminate vinyl floor. It's a grayish color. I don't know what we call it. It's kind of like a barnwood looking.
Yeah. There's
your picture window with the 2 sconce lights. I was just in a house. It was a Charleston over here. And the Charleston is 30 foot. It's got the bedroom on the other end. Exact same house, but with a bedroom on the other end. And that one I think is $89,000, something like that, right? In the dormers. This is a 1-level living. This would be your living room, bedroom. Now we do have a loft, but it's not got dormers or an egress window. So I don't suggest that as a bedroom. Of course, here in the United States, you're able to do whatever you want to do. You can sleep on the windowsill if you want, right? So just going to tell you that you've got your 3040 windows, your picture window, you got a mini split, ceiling fan. Remember, everything's done. It's all urethane, painted, beautifully ready to move in. Here's your panel box. Here's a washer and dryer hookup, stackable washer and dryer. And in the kitchen, this is a real popular model. Before where the stackable washer and dryer is, we had stairs going up to a double dormer.
Right.
So this is a less expensive unit with the dormers, no dormers.
Right.
Cooktop range hood, same kitchen as the other one, right? That has stairs. And you've got your countertop, which is your butcher block, farm style sink, ample plugs, switches, lights. And then you get your barn door and then the bathroom. And the bathroom is a little bit bigger than the model with the steps. So the model with the steps, the actual stairs are right here. And so you didn't have as much room in here to navigate. I like this because, and we take off the lid for transportation, but this is you actually get a sink, vanity, toilet, and a shower. And you've got room in this bathroom to add storage if you'd like.
Yeah.
Right? You got room here on this wall, on the wall behind me. What you doing here? You found us, didn't you, buddy? Yep.
And what size is the shower?
That's a 32 inch.
32 inch.
Yeah, not 36.
Okay.
And the reason is because behind that wall you have your washer and dryer, and it had to accommodate the width of that washer and dryer.
Which is a nice sacrifice, so you can have washer and dryers in your home. You don't have to go to the laundromat.
You got it. Yeah. Now, we sell an Incredibox. It's 20 foot long. We also sell Incredibox that's 16 foot long, which is one that I personally live in. So I have my bed in the main room, and I have my bed, and I have a love seat, or I have a chair. And so I know if you've not been in a tiny home all on one floor, that may sound weird having a bed, living room, all that, but this is a tiny house. So it's not for everybody.
No.
But this house, being as beautiful it is, completely done, ready to go, and it's all on one floor living, okay? This is really what I see is what I'm gonna do with my home is a big deck out here, covered porch, everything. Plus you come in, this is a big room. So this actual room, let me just step it off. You got 1, 2, 3, that's 3, 6, 9. So you look a little over 10 foot. So you got about 100 square feet just in this one room that you can decorate. You got a plug here if you wanted a table with a computer or a dining room table. Plugs on all the walls, so you can rearrange your furniture if you'd like. You can put a sofa, you can put a TV, each one. And you could have a single bed if you like. Even you can even put a fold-up bed or a day bed. There's a lot of homes like that. We even have people that are in lofts, that have lofts, that do not live in them or sleep in them. Even though they got stairs, they got double dormers. And that's why I created this model, is because there are so many people that said, hey, I don't want to go up steps, and I don't want to go up a ladder, right? And I can't spend $80,000, $90,000 on one that has a big bedroom back there.
Yeah.
So I condensed it down, took out the steps, put in a stackable washer and dryer that's easy to use. Everybody loves a stackable more than the combination one. So it feels like home. The only inconvenience, and this is tiny home living, is to have a bed in your living room, right? And like we've talked before, it is fashionable to have a bed in your living room. You make it look nice, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just painting you a picture if you've never thought about it. There are so many people that said, Randy, I didn't think about, what you were talking about until I actually thought, wait a minute, that's true. What about a bed? So, and I know Amanda's done the same thing, but I can see a single bed right here.
Sure.
Right? And it really doesn't take up any room. So you could actually have a single bed here. Then you could have a sofa or love seat on this side.
Yeah.
Right? So now you've got your bed, you got a love seat, you can have a TV there, TV up here for your bed, or even one behind us. You can even
can have a desk.
A desk and a dining room table. There's a lot of room in here, and this is a 10 by 20 Dalton without dormers. Now I said today is a special sale. We've listed this house at $66,900 a couple weeks ago. All right, and that's our new pricing. And I was always wondering, I thought, how can we have this house on our inventory? It's been here for quite a while. People sometimes buy our homes, and we're the only company that I know of that, hey, we'll resell your home if something's happened in your life and you cannot take your home. We'll try to sell it. Now, what happens is we take a hit on it because we built it, or we got to reimburse their money, or whatever we're trying to do. Normally, so this house has been built a while ago. I don't like sitting on anything because most of our homes are built for people that we're customizing them, even though they're our models, right? So just for today, this is May 26th, Friday, at about 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard, 2:24 Eastern Standard Time. This house was $66,900 only today. If you call this weekend, I'll give it till Monday morning, $50,000.
Holy cow. And keep in mind too, this house has sold, I don't know how many times since we showed it. But their financing just couldn't get through.
You better hurry up.
I know. But
I'm dropping this thing.
50? Wow.
Want it gone, all right?
Wow.
This house right now, we sell them as a model on our website for $66,900.
Wow.
Want it gone.
And two, we didn't, I don't know if we added that this isn't.
Mandy, did you want to stop the tape and redo this and edit it?
No.
The price?
Oh, the price. No. Yeah.
Amanda didn't know what price I was going to come up with. I want it gone. So if you are in need of a house, this is the house you can take right here. Right here. If you want this house to be over on the mountain, or over on our Buffalo Creek, say, hey, I would like to put this on the Buffalo Creek. We'll let it sit here until we're ready to put it on Buffalo Creek. All right. What does that sound like? Is that a deal?
That's a deal.
All right. So Buffalo Creek is another $10,000 key money that reserves you a spot to rent at Buffalo Creek for $300 a month. Okay. So Buffalo Creek's probably 8 to 10 months out before it'll be done, construction and everything in it. But there you have it. This is an amazing home. It is stick built. It is polyurethane, closed cell spray foamed. It is ANSI NFPA certified. It has got an air exchanger, mini split, hookup for washer and dryer, farm style sink, LP siding. Only today, when I go back to sell this home again, I'm going to remove this video, right? And then Monday, we're going to do another video and the price is going up. Okay? Does that sound, that's what we do, right? So
it's kind of like a Memorial Day special.
Yep. Yeah, there you go.
This
Memorial Day
weekend.
special. So today's Friday. We'll keep it at that price. Now, Tim, we all work kind of on the weekends a little bit. I know Tim checks the emails. So if that's something you want, go to sales@incredibletinyhomes.com. Tim is our salesperson here, and he'll be glad to take care of you. He'll take your name down. This is a first come, first serve. Amanda's got to go back to the office. She's got to upload this video, got to edit it. And so it's going to be probably, I said it's 2:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It probably won't feature till what, 4 o'clock?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, 4 o'clock today.
And two, this is built by the Amish, our Amish partnership in Kentucky.
Yep. So our Amish has built this. We got a great partnership with them. They build most of our model homes. And of course you get the regular warranty, everything. But look, this is beautifully painted. Everything's polyurethane, all the trim. I mean, I could show you, we can take an up close peek at all the trim and how tight, all the cuts and joints and nails. And it's a nice home.
Very nice home.
There you go. So
what a deal.
Yeah, so if you followed us along, follow us, let us know. If you like this home, only until probably Monday morning.
Yep.
All right?
Okay.
Thank you, everybody.